Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Blinks and this is Links Art. Today I'm going to show you step by step how I started this small portrait. It's not that much of a realistic artwork, it's just an artwork that appears slightly realistic, and it's also not finished. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can easily start any kind of artwork, the processes and the stages taken to get to this level. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Now when you take a look at this drawing, you notice that there are some straight vertical lines coming down. This is because I used an eraser to erase those lines before shading the background. The bottom line is never use an eraser to erase out any grid. Make a grid that will automatically blend into the background. That is how you draw. Now you see all these lines here, I'm not going to erase them. They are going to vanish into the drawing as I draw subsequently. That is to say, when making grids, make the lines very tiny and they are going to vanish into the background or blend with the artwork. guys, so if you've been watching this time lapse, you notice how I've been using a graphite in process of my blending, and how I make use of brushes to blend values. One of the most important things you should always have in mind is to try to avoid strokes. I always say this in my videos. When you avoid strokes in your drawings, they tend to appear more realistic, and these hard edges will tend to make your artworks look unrealistic, trust me. So that is what I try to avoid here, and that is what I'm doing. So it's either I am using my charcoal pencil, my brushes, or I'm using my light graphite pencils to create those details. So let's move on. Okay guys, now this is not finished. We still have all here and also the face to consider. For most persons, they tend to end their artwork here. This is the shading level, and as an artist you must learn how to apply these three stages: the sketching stage, the shading stage, and as well the detailing aspect. So this is the point where you start making your details. This is a 16 by 19 frame artwork, so it's not really that bad. Now honestly, I don't think I am still going to draw this any further, other than completing this area. It's not majorly an hyper realistic work or an artwork that is supposed to appear so realistic. It's just to get the resemblance, and to be honest, I'm kind of tired, so I think I'm going to keep this like this, and that is after finishing here, of course.